that's me, that guy with a roguish good looks. And this is the woman I love.
Sylvia! You can't marry him.
Give me one good reason.
Because I love you.
My ex-girlfriend getting married tomorrow. Like, can you imagine marrying somebody that you met in a gym?
Where did you first meet you?
In a psychiatric hospital.
And that's me messing everything up between us.
The worst mistake I've ever made my whole life.
If only I could go back.
You're still here.
You're doing everything I want.
He's probably feeling guilty about something.
I promise you I'll try and change.
None of this was supposed to happen. Did you see the way that guy was looking at you? Where on you go now?
Yeah, because he was sitting opposite me, Vic. I don't know, your head seems to be stuck somewhere.
I don't even know where I am sometimes.
Absolutely.
It's not as black and white as that. There's a lot of grey girls out there in a lot of grey areas. Give you the shag of your life. Isn't that right, baby? Ah!
It's okay. I'm absolutely fine. It's okay.
Take me by the hand, show me the way I can go. Take me by the hand.